Perfect. Great job. Or that looks clean to keep energy human. Bold, abstract visuals can energize a design instantly, especially when patterns are structured yet expressive. Today we are exploring how to design bold, abstract patterns. Open Photoshop and create a square document around 1700 pixels, then draw dynamic shapes using the brush or pen tool with varied sizes and angles. Arrange them across the canvas so movement flows naturally from one area to another. Duplicate elements strategically to maintain rhythm while avoiding overcrowding. Apply vibrant color combinations through gradient overlay or color fill layers for strong visual